Day 1 feels easy, almost too easy. You wake up motivated, tie your shoes tighter than usual, and step outside telling yourself, this time will be different. The air feels fresh, your energy feels high, and the first few minutes of jogging actually feel exciting. Your heart rate rises, your breathing deepens, and your body instantly realizes something important is happening. Even though it's just a slow jog, your muscles begin demanding more oxygen, your lungs expand more than usual, and blood circulation increases across your entire body. Inside, your brain releases endorphins, chemicals responsible for that small but powerful feeling people call the runner's high. You may not notice physical change yet, but mentally, something shifts. You feel proud, accomplished, like you finally started. Day 2 is where reality arrives. Your legs feel heavier when you wake up. Stairs suddenly become your enemy. That soreness in your calves and thighs isn't punishment, it's adaptation. Tiny muscle fibers experienced stress yesterday, and now your body is repairing them stronger than before. This process is called muscle recovery, and it's the exact reason fitness works. When you jog again today, your body reacts faster. Your heart doesn't panic like yesterday. Your breathing finds rhythm sooner. Even if the run feels harder mentally, biologically you are already improving. By day 3, something surprising happens. Your sleep begins improving. Jogging helps regulate your circadian rhythm, meaning your body naturally feels sleepy at night and more alert in the morning. Stress hormones like cortisol begin decreasing while serotonin levels rise. Many people notice their mood improving around this time. Anxiety feels lighter. Overthinking slows down. Jogging is no longer just exercise. It becomes emotional therapy in motion. You might still sweat heavily and feel tired afterward, but your recovery becomes quicker than before. Day 4 is when fat burning quietly starts accelerating. During jogging, your body initially uses stored carbohydrates for energy, but after repeated sessions across several days, it becomes more efficient at using stored fat as fuel. Your metabolism begins adapting. Even when you're resting later in the day, your body burns slightly more calories than usual. You may notice reduced bloating, lighter movement, or subtle tightening around your waist. The scale may not change dramatically yet, but internal changes are happening fast. On day 5, your cardiovascular system begins showing real progress. Your heart, which is also a muscle, becomes more efficient at pumping blood. This means oxygen reaches your muscles faster with less effort. You might realize you can jog longer without stopping. Conversations during jogging become slightly easier. That burning sensation in your chest appears later than before. This is endurance building in real time. Your stamina improves not because jogging becomes easier, but because your body becomes stronger. Day 6 brings visible confidence changes. Your posture improves as core and leg muscles activate repeatedly during jogging. Blood circulation gives your skin a natural glow. Increased sweating helps clear pores, and hydration habits often improve because your body demands more water. Mentally, discipline starts forming. What felt like effort on day 1 now feels like routine. Missing a jog suddenly feels strange. This psychological shift is powerful. Consistency begins replacing motivation. Then comes day 7, 1 full week. You look in the mirror expecting dramatic transformation, but the biggest changes are deeper than appearance. Your energy levels are higher throughout the day. Walking feels lighter. Your breathing feels stronger. Stress reactions reduce. Your brain associates movement with reward, making future workouts easier to maintain. Scientifically, your aerobic capacity has already begun improving, meaning your body can sustain activity longer without exhaustion. After 7 days of jogging, you may not have a completely new body yet, but you've built something far more important: momentum. Your muscles are adapting, your heart is stronger, your metabolism is waking up, and most importantly, your mind now believes change is possible. Most people quit before day 7, not because jogging doesn't work, but because results start internally before they appear externally. The truth is, week 1 builds the foundation, week 2 builds endurance, week 3 begins visible transformation, and those who continue beyond this point experience fat loss, stronger immunity, improved mental clarity, and long-term health benefits. So if you've completed 7 days of jogging, understand this: your body has already started changing in ways you cannot fully see yet. Every step you take sends a signal to your future self that strength matters more than comfort. Tomorrow, when you lace up your shoes again, remember, you're no longer starting, you're continuing. If this video motivated you to begin or continue your jogging journey, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who keeps saying they'll start tomorrow. Because real transformation doesn't begin with perfection, it begins with one slow jog repeated daily.